Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone, honorable lecturer, and my beloved friends. Before we start the presentation, let's discern the video together so we can understand what will I present to you.
Cramming for a test, trying to get more done than you have time to do. Stress is a feeling we all experience when we are challenged or overwhelmed. But more than just an emotion, stress is a hardwired physical response that travels throughout your entire life. In the short term, stress can be advantageous, but when activated too long, your primitive fight or flight stress response not only changes your brain, but also damages many of the other organs and cells throughout your body.
So, after we watch the video, we can take a conclusion that stress can affect your body, your thought, and your behavior. So, the stress that left unchecked can contribute to many health problems and also mental problems. For the example, we can't even enjoy our daily life. Also, the second problem comes from the fact in Indonesia right now. The first fact is the high prevalence of schizophrenia or psychosis, and also the minimum psychiatrists in Indonesia. And the last one is the objective examination by psychiatrists that is still rare. So, what will happen to the next generation if this issue is not fixed well? Will we have a generation with stress in their shoulder? To avoid that problems, we need a technology that can identify the stress feeling itself through their expression. So, we are from Group A. My name is Marsha Yunita, and the other members is Busra Trisno Yuwono, is Hairunisa, Alita Junia, and M. Giovanni. For today's presentation, the title is The Role of Technology in Building the Generation of Change. The next slide will be presented by Alita Junia.
What is face recognition? Face recognition is one of the capabilities of artificial intelligence that can detect a person's face expression. This is example of how face recognition works. Next, how image processing identify the human expression. Image processing capabilities capable of detecting face expression with various expression. These are various examples of expression that can be detected by image processing, such as happily, surprised, happily, disgusted, etc. Image processing identified by using dots, which is located in every single color face that is automatically made by the system. After the dots made a relation, the system will identify which expression that occurred in every single human. And this identification can capture from multiple face expression, not only from one person. That's called as artificial intelligence. So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is intelligence demonstrated by machine learning, unlike the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals, which involve consciousness and emotionality. There are machine learning, image processing, and deep learning. Next will be explained by ES.
Okay, capture data from multiple faces. In addition to being able to detect facial expression from one image processing can also detect expression with various faces in one image. That after taking the face, the image processing will identify facial expression based on existing data or create new data that will later be a reference to the same expression. Machine learning. Machine learning is one branch of the discipline on artificial intelligence that discusses the development of systems based on data. The term machine learning is a computer process to learn from data. Without data, computer would not be able to learn anything. All machine learning knowledge will involve data. The role of machine learning helped many humans in various fields. Even today, the application of ML can be easily found in everyday life. The goal of machine learning is to be able to make a decision or make predictions that are rational based on exciting data that is matched by the data the algorithm of machine learning. Then the accuracy of the decision and also the prediction of the system will be better. One of the use of machine learning is the digital assistant featured in a device. Then they can carry out a command from humans in addition to advertisement on the internet that will annually display product recommendations that are by your wishes or interest when doing search that you have done before. How machine learning works. Unlike static program, that this application is create to form a program that can learn on its own. Then, the data used to carry out the learning process can later create or produce a certain model. From this learning process, a system uses a machine learning algorithm system, which is applied to statistical technique so that there will appear information with information can be used as knowledge to solve a problem as an input-output process.
Grouping after being detected. Um, After detection, data is collected and identification messages will appear after the first identification. After that, grouping will be done for the purpose of detecting students who have undetected acute stress caused by limited assessment, preventing action, for instance. After identification about the counseling, every school must have counseling teacher to handle any kind issues that happen in the school environment, especially issues that include the student. Teacher have to solve the problem that occur inside student society, like the proper way to how the student can socialize with their environment, and then problem that happen to the student not limited to academic affair only, but also to the problem or trouble that concerning about the student social relationship in the school community. Teacher can notify in there any student who's going through the stress base. After that, for to save avoiding the strife, teachers should decide what action to take, like reducing subject matter of reducing homework for the student.
After that, automatically the education system will fulfill a good quality for study where the student will enjoy their study without stress. The student will understand the material well because they enjoy the learning progress. And the final result, we will get a quality education which combined with artificial intelligence product. Both of them will produce the generation of change that is not only smart in learning and academic, but also smart in emotional controller. And absolutely, not only system, but we need a support by the environment, by example, the teacher and their parent. So that's it from the group H. If you have any question, you can ask through the WhatsApp group or private chat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.